As Hurricane Ian continues to wreak havoc in Florida, many are preparing to file insurance claims. Insurance experts have projected that the destruction caused by Hurricane Ian could cost up to $35 billion to fix. And they note that flooding will be the biggest factor. So for more on this, I want to bring in Trevor Burgess. He is the CEO of Neptune Flood Insurance, which is based in St. Petersburg, Florida. Thanks for joining us. I just want to sort of tell people that the vast majority of flood insurance is FEMA-provided flood insurance. It's backed by the federal government, and there are certain insurance companies that will sort of help you get that. But there are also private insurance companies that provide flood insurance, and Neptune is one of them. And people can do their own research if they want to figure out the difference between federally backed flood insurance and private insurance. But you are an expert in this area. And so I want to ask some of the questions that people will be asking now. You're in Florida and you think you have flood insurance, but you're not sure. And you think you have flood damage because you can see a lot of water in your house, but you're not sure. What is your first step?
Well, I'm going to tell you something that's absolutely shocking, and that's that only 15% of the households in Florida have flood insurance. And that's down 13% from 5 years ago. So we've had this massive population increase. But actually the number of households that are protected from this most dangerous and most frequent peril is actually going down. Now, everybody has homeowners insurance or renters insurance, and a lot of people think that that's going to cover this risk of flooding. But in the United States, it doesn't. You need to buy a separate policy, as you said, either from the NFIP or from a company such as mine, Neptune.
Is all flood insurance the same, though? I'll tell you why I'm asking this question. I remember during Sandy, covering Superstorm Sandy, and talking to a business owner who said part of the challenge that she was having with the insurance company, I don't know what insurance company it was that they were going back and forth between the difference between flood damage and wind damage. So I want to ask you, is that something that people should be concerned about? And how do you determine that damage is caused by flood versus wind when you're talking about a hurricane?
Sure. So first of all flood insurance is the same. Neptune is in fact required to use that national flood insurance form. We're required to use the same federal government form. So if you're buying private flood insurance and it's accepted by your bank, that it's the same underlying coverage that the federal government can offer. But you've asked a very interesting question about how do we know what the difference between damage from the wind, which is covered by your homeowner's insurance, and damage that's covered by a flood, which is covered by your flood insurance. Think about it like this. If the water comes from above, so a tree falls on your roof and caves it in, and rain is coming in, that's a homeowner's insurance claim. What flooding is the devastation that you've seen in Southwest Florida. It's that surge that's coming in from the ocean or water rising from below as rain accumulates. So flood insurance is coming from below, and a homeowner's insurance claim is when water comes from above. It's complicated, but we'll take care of that when you file your claim. So for those people that do have flood insurance, it's really important right now to contact your insurance agent who sold you the policy, or to contact the insurance carrier directly, such as Neptune, and let us know that you have damage so that we can work to help you get back on your feet.
Trevor, I wish we had more time to talk to you. More and more people are probably unaware that they are vulnerable to flooding. And I know that you're dealing with that exact problem with your own home. You've had some flooding. So I hope that you and your family are safe. And I hope your insurance is good. Trevor Burgess, thank you.
Thank you very much.